Hello everyone, welcome to this new video, WordPress for Complete Beginners. Now on this section of the video, we'll talk about media. Now in the last section of the video, we talk about discussion, where we learned how to moderate comments on our blog posts to allow comments only for some specific users and to also filter comments based on some bad words. Now in this section of the video, we talk about media. The media settings page allows you to set maximum sizes for images inserted into your WordPress, say post or page. Now these settings are great for saving time if you always want images to be the same size, or if you want to apply a default setting for maybe a medium or a large image size. So to access the media panel or the media option, you click on the media bot link, okay, in the navigation option, and then you see thumbnail size and say 150 by 150, okay, for the height. And there's an option for you to crop thumbnail to exact dimension. So, and normally thumbnails are proportional to each other, baby. The height will be 150, the weight will be 150. Now you could actually crop it to be an exact dimension. Now there's another option for medium size, okay, and there's also a large size. Usually in WordPress, when uploading an image, okay, I'd like to show us how this goes down. So I'm going to go to XAMPP, this PC, XAMPP, and I'm going to go to WordPress. I think we have that in htdocs and WordPress. I'm going to go to WP content and I'll go to uploads. Now, when I upload my content, it's going to create various folders for me in this place. Okay, based on the setting, I'm going to have a folder for thumbnail, for medium, and for large, so that these are well segregated and are referenced to whenever we need them. For now, since we're not doing programming or any coding, we might not actually need this right now. And most themes and plugins automatically have this setup on their own, but just in case you want to use WordPress by default and you need the thumbnail size to be a particular height and width, this option comes in handy. And another thing is you could organize my uploads into month and year based folder. Now if you want to organize your uploads as images and files you upload on your WordPress site to a year and month, you could use this option. And if you don't want to, you uncheck this box. So for instance, if you check this place where we install our WordPress project, you would see that we have a folder called uploads. Now if I click on the uploads, you would see a folder called 2019. Now you see that this folder, this files we upload in this place, this is where all our files go to. Okay, they are being structured under year and month. That means if I'm to have another month, which is October the 10th, we're seeing a folder named 10 right here, and we'll see our files right there also. So I think with that we're golden, and that's all about WordPress media settings. Now in the next video we're going to look at WordPress permalinks and the privacy section, and that would wrap it all for the WordPress settings option. So see you on the next video. For now, bye bye.